Welcome, my name is Max Hackman, and today we're going to do some searching and browsing using the OVID Nursing Collection database. First thing you want to do is scroll down to the database link on the right hand side of the page. Once we select that, we'll be taken to an A to Z alphabetical listing of our databases. We'll want to go to the O, we'll scroll down to OVID Nursing Collection. I've already logged in. If you have any trouble logging in, please reach out to us through chat or email at the library and we can help you out with that right away. Once the database is loaded here, you can see that the search bar will pop right up here. You have a number of different other options to search and also different fields you can search at the very top as well. Let's do a quick search on nursing. Give it a moment to load here. As you can see here on the left-hand side of the page, you'll get the number of results. There's also different limiters. You can limit your search here on the side as well. Sometimes that can be a useful strategy, but once you do find an article you like, there's a bunch of information here on the bottom of the record, as well as if you just select on the title, it will take you directly into the record, actually directly to the PDF article. The citation is here at the top. Let it load here. I don't want to select the citation. You can see the different formats. You can copy them depending on which one you need. The abstract and background information is right here on the title page. So it's all very useful, very helpful there. Let's jump back out here to the search results. I want to show you another neat trick that this database offers. And that is to search just for the multimedia results. So if you're looking for a video, this database has quite a bit of videos. The one neat thing about their videos as well is that they offer a citation on them as well. So you can just grab that citation right here, right off the main page. If you don't know exactly what you're looking for, if you come all the way up to the top and you select multimedia, it'll actually take you to a browsing section where you can just browse different videos here on the side by topic. And gives you a lot more variety when you don't exactly know what you're searching for. So a lot of options here. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at the library and we're happy to help.